Hello and welcome. This video will show you how to use the counting on method for addition. This written method is used in year 1. So imagine you wanted to do the sum 7 plus 9. I want to add 9 to the starting number, which is 7. I'm going to use a number line to help me get to the answer. So, now I've created my number line, I want to find my starting number, which is the first number in the sum, which is 7. I've then been asked to add 9 more to it, so I'm going to count on 9 more. This is really important. Don't start counting on the number you've circled. You are going to add 1 more to it. So my first one that I'm adding on takes me to 8. So I've added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which takes me to 16. So 7 plus 9 gives me 16 using the counting on method.